Air conditioning service units from Bosch make life easier. Bosch air conditioning service units. Excellence for professionals. The development of the new Bosch ACS units has led to an intelligent product, according to the customer's user experience, and with a perfect balance between robustness and maneuverability. Bosch ACS units empower your daily work with best performance and an easy-to-use multi-language graphical user interface. Comprehensive options for maintenance are integrated, including routine functions as well as extraordinary functions. Operation is supported via contextual shortcut help messages. The innovative oil bottle system is suitable for cars with combustion engines as well as hybrid vehicles. Bosch ACS units make the maintenance operations of the R134A and R1234YF AC systems easier and more efficient. Just the push of a button on the control console and a fully automatic process starts, without any intervention. High performance through fast recovery and deep vacuum functions via a dual-stage vacuum pump with the highest flow rate on the equipment market. Via a mobile application on your smartphone, you can check the ACS equipment status in real time. Bosch ACS stands for high-performance equipment in every detail. The embedded printer provides detailed reports ensuring transparency to the customers. High-quality service is guaranteed. Bosch's user experience approach simplifies your daily work and minimizes service and maintenance action. Air conditioning service from Bosch makes life easier and convinces through selectable fully automatic or single service process. Innovative oil bottle system. High performance through fast recovery and deep vacuum functions. A hydrogen-nitrogen leak test is embedded. Easy use of accessories such as flushing and forming gas kit. All ACS units integrate with the Bosch Connected Repair and ASA network. ACS remote control via the mobile application. Our ACS units empower modern workshops and make your life easier. Bosch air conditioning service units. Excellence for professionals.